Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to mute conversations in Google Messages. As of May 2025, the Google Messages app allows you to mute individual or group conversations to prevent notifications from interrupting you. Now, this feature is particularly useful for silencing active threads without deleting or archiving them. And here is how you can get that done. So how can you mute conversations in Google Messages Android? So open the Google Messages app on your Android device. Locate the conversation you wish to mute. So let's say I want to mute this conversation, the second conversation there. Now touch and hold the conversation until a menu appears at the top corner. So go ahead and tap the mute option from the options presented. And that's okay. This is actually block. We're looking for mute, and this is Mac on red, and there is no mute feature here. So let's just go ahead and open the message to see that. Now tap on the three dots menu. You're going to see add people, you're going to see details, you're going to see start. So once you open the message, tap on this and tap on details, and that's going to take you to the details page. Now there is no direct button that allows you to mute, like a direct mute option right here in the Messenger app. So just go ahead and click on notifications for each chat. And once you select notification, you can now head over to click on silent. Now, once you toggle this to silent, it means you will not be able to receive notification for this message, meaning the message you will not receive alerts for this particular message or from this person, meaning this person has been muted. That's how it works. All right. So while there is no direct button that allows you to choose the duration for muting the conversation, you can just use this option, which is to silence the notification, so you will not receive notification for that conversation anymore. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.